repeat for clarity. In 2020, the subsidized school board paid vacation pay. Government also paid for 2020. For 2021, the subsidized school boards paid vacation pay. Government did not. In 2022, government paid vacation pay and the subsidized school board did not. So both, if you look at 3 times, both groups received vacation pay 2 times. The question at this moment is, does government have to give money to the subsidized school boards to pay out vacation pay? No. Government does not have to give money specially to the subsidized school boards to pay out vacation pay. And in 2020, when the subsidized school boards paid the vacation pay, they received their full subsidy. In 2021, they also received their full vacation pay. And in 2022, they are also their full subsidy. And right now in 2022, they are also receiving their full subsidy. So the subsidy of the subsidized school boards was not cut in 2020, was not cut or reduced in 2021, and is not being reduced at this moment. I want to indicate that it is necessary for us to give the correct information to the public so that the public can understand this issue.